Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Ultimaker 3D printer is probably one of the most sought-after 3D printing solutions for professionals and enthusiasts alike, renowned for its precision, reliability, and ease of use, making it a top contender in the market. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and overall value of the Ultimaker 3D printer to help you decide if it's the right choice for your needs. Number 5. Ultimaker 3 NFC PLA Filament. Experience superior quality with our new PLA filament. It's designed for consistent performance and fewer printing jams. This filament is precisely manufactured with a 2.85 mm diameter. This ensures smooth feeding and reliable prints. It is made from high-quality materials for consistent diameter, reducing the chance of jams and ensuring smooth printing. It's specifically engineered for use with the Ultimaker 3 3D printer, guaranteeing optimal results. The NFC tag provides additional information about the filament, such as material type and batch number. This ensures traceability and quality control. This pristine white filament offers vibrant, clean prints. It's perfect for a wide range of projects. What we like. It's a classic choice for its versatility and smooth printing. The bright white color makes models pop. If you need a reliable, high-quality filament for everyday projects, this is the one for you. Number 4. Ultimaker 3 NFC PLA Filament. Experience superior quality with our new filament. It's designed for consistent performance and fewer printing issues. This filament is precisely manufactured with a 2.85 mm diameter. This precision ensures smooth and reliable printing. It is made from high-quality materials. This results in a consistent diameter, reducing the chance of jams during printing. Say goodbye to frustrating printing jams. Its consistent diameter ensures smooth extrusion and a better printing experience. It's specially designed for use with the Ultimaker 3 3D printer. Get the best results from your Ultimaker 3. This premium filament offers a rich black color and exceptional quality. It's the perfect choice for your next 3D printing project. What we like. This offers the same great quality in a sleek, professional black. The dark color is perfect for detailed models and adds a touch of sophistication. If you prefer a more subtle and refined look for your 3D prints, this is your best bet. Number 3. Ultimaker 3 NFC PVA Filament. This high-quality filament ensures smooth and consistent 3D printing. It's designed for superior performance and minimal jams. The precise 2.85 mm diameter is crucial for optimal printing results. It's engineered for seamless compatibility with your Ultimaker 3. Experience the convenience of NFC technology. It simplifies the printing process and provides valuable feedback. It's made from premium materials for consistent results. This means fewer interruptions and a better final product. This generous 350G spool provides ample material for your projects. You can print more without frequent refills. It's specifically manufactured for the Ultimaker 3. This ensures optimal performance and reliability. The consistent diameter minimizes the risk of jams during printing. Enjoy a smoother, more efficient workflow. What we like. It's unique because it's water-soluble support material. This makes post-processing a breeze. If you frequently use support structures in your designs, this will save you time and effort. What people say. Works great for supports and washes away easily. I like the smaller roll because this stuff only has a few months shelf life before it degrades. Number 2. Ultimaker 3 NFC ABS Filament. This high-quality filament is designed for use with your Ultimaker 3 printer. Its consistent diameter ensures smooth, reliable prints, reducing the risk of jams. It's the perfect size for your Ultimaker 3. This precise diameter helps ensure consistent extrusion and high-quality prints. The NFC tag provides additional information about the filament. This helps you manage your materials and monitor your prints. It's made from premium ABS material. This ensures strong, durable prints with excellent layer adhesion. It's specifically manufactured for use with the Ultimaker 3. This guarantees optimal performance and print quality. The consistent diameter of this filament minimizes the chances of jams during printing. Enjoy smoother, uninterrupted prints. This sleek black filament offers a professional finish to your 3D printed projects. It's perfect for a variety of applications. What we like. It's known for its strength and durability, ideal for functional parts. It can withstand higher temperatures and is perfect for robust applications. If you need a filament that can handle stress and impact, this is the perfect choice. Number 1. Ultimaker 3 NFC PLA Filament. This is the Ultimaker 3 NFC PLA Filament. It's designed for high-quality 3D printing, ensuring smooth and consistent results. With a precise 2.85 mm diameter, it feeds flawlessly into your Ultimaker 3. This minimizes the risk of jams and ensures a consistent print. It features NFC technology for easy identification and tracking. This helps you manage your filament inventory and printing process efficiently. This filament is made from high-quality PLA material. It's known for its ease of use and produces strong, durable prints. This transparent filament offers a unique aesthetic. It's perfect for showcasing intricate designs and internal structures. It's specifically manufactured for use with the Ultimaker 3 3D printer. This ensures optimal performance and reliability. What we like. This allows you to create stunning, see-through models. The translucent quality adds a unique aesthetic appeal. If you're looking to showcase intricate internal details or create visually striking designs, this is the one to choose. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.